Hi there, it's Jodi. I want to introduce you to my 2021 Santa's Workshop classes. Santa's Workshop is an event that I have done for many years. Every year it's in November, and the purpose is to provide a number of different classes that happen at the same time and give you the flexibility to choose which classes you want to do. So you pick the classes you want to do, you choose how many of each you want to make, and then whether you want to come to the morning or evening session. So there are 6 options this year. Some of them, like these Christmas cards, would be for you to make for yourself to send out. Other things, like this package of all occasion cards, would be a great gift idea to give to a teacher, a bus driver, coach, coworker, neighbor, all of those kinds of things. So I am gonna show you the specific projects, and then you can go to the event right here in this page and take a look at all of the specifics, cost and things like that. So let's start with the Christmas cards. These cards, you'll make 10. They are all die cuts and stickers. So there is nothing on any of these that actually gets stamped. So you'll receive all of the supplies that you need. You'll get the red rhinestones that you see. You'll get the red ribbon. And you can make all 10 of these cards. And then they come with these cute coordinating envelopes too. So that is the first class, the Christmas cards. Then we have this one here. Now this is packaged like this, so it's just ready to give as a gift. Not everybody loves to make handmade cards, but everybody loves to receive a gift of handmade cards. And so these are all occasion cards that you can gift to someone that they can use throughout the year to send to other people. So this one, you can see the envelopes in here coordinate. They're really cute envelopes, and they're 10 different cards. I could show the individual photos of these cards too, but I just wanted to show it to you packaged like this so you can see how you can present it to someone for their gift. All right, the next thing is this little treat box. Now you can use it for a small gift or you can use it for candy. I just put some like paper filler in there just to show you something in there. And so these are like 3 by 3 inches. So they're just cute little treat boxes. So you can look for all the details in the event for that. Then we have this. I really like this. These letters, let me pull them all into view here. These are about 6.5 inches high and about not quite an inch thick. They will be painted white. So this was the first one I did and then realized they need to be painted white. So the edges will be white like this, and you can choose what designer paper you want on this. So you can choose whichever package of Christmas designer paper from our catalog that you would like. In the event, I listed the specific ones, so you can take a look at them online. It does need to be 12 by 12 paper though. The 6 by 6 is not quite big enough because like I said, these are about 6.5 inches. So you can choose whatever of those 12 by 12 Christmas patterns you would like. This is great just to make a little something for yourself, for some holiday decor in your own home, or you can make it to gift to someone as well. All right, let's do the little gift card holders. These are just so fun. So for this, the little band slides off, and then you've got a pouch. Oh, there's adhesive that goes there to make a pouch. Which one has the actual card? Must be this one. So there you can see, and the little gift card goes right there. If you want to stamp a to and from right on the inside, you can do that. A lot of people give gift cards, and this just makes the presentation of the gift card so much fun. I'll put that on later. So there's the 3 different gift card holders that you make. The last project, your 6th option, has a lot for me to pull in. So I'm gonna grab all of these. So I have a kit that makes these 4 tags. And the kit actually has supplies to make 3 of each of them. So what I did is modified the kit just a little bit. So with this class, it's called Love Santa, you're going to make 4 tags. You're going to make 4 treat bags. Again, these are food safe, so it could be candies or cookies or anything you make and give at Christmas time. So you get 4 of these, one of the different tags on each one. And then you also make 4 cards that are super simple that feature the tags. So with this one, you make 4 tags, 4 cards, 4 treat bags. Okay, so be sure to take a look at the event for all of the details, the pricing, all of the specifics, how many you make. And then, like I said, just let me know which classes you want to do, how many of each, and which session you would like to come to. So as an example, some people might say, I want to do 1 set of Love Santa, and I need 3 of these and 1 of the joy decor. Someone else might be doing something entirely different. So I just set up stations and you go to the stations of the projects that you signed up for. The other thing that's pretty cool about this year's Santa's Workshop classes is that all of them can be done by mail. So of course I have to charge shipping to get you the supplies, but all of them can be completed by mail and you'll get photos and instructions for any of them that you choose to do that way. So whether you're able to attend in person in November or if you want to participate by mail, just be sure that you let me know which classes you would like to do and get registered so I can have the supplies ready for you. Thanks so much for watching.